Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have another video for you guys. Today's video is going to be all about the New York Auto School so that you can be prepared on how to book your lessons and become a licensed driver. I'm also going to be reading some customer reviews so you guys can feel more knowledgeable about the company and more comfortable knowing that other people feel good about the driving school as well. So if you guys want this information, then please stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Okay, so first and foremost, I really want to thank you guys for following me on this journey. I am really excited and proud and happy that I am able to share my experience with you guys. And thank you guys for, as I said, following me on this journey to becoming a licensed driver. And I also really want to send a special shout out to the New York Auto School for preparing me and helping my nervous self become a licensed driver. So if you guys didn't know, the New York Auto School has a very good website. And the reason why I'm saying it's a good website is because it has all the information you will ever need. It is set up really nicely. And here you can book your 5-hour pre-licensing course. You can book your driving lessons and your road test, of course. Also, the New York Auto School serves Westchester, Bronx, and Manhattan. They have all the addresses and everything that you can do on their website as well. At the bottom of their homepage, they have customer reviews, and I'm going to read some of those for you guys so you guys can get to know a little bit more about the school. By the way, the New York Auto School has really good ratings, so you guys can see that I'm not just talking just to talk. This school is actually a really good school, as you will see from other customers. So their overall rating, as you can see if you go on the website, is a 4.8, and that's a 4.8 out of 5. So that alone speaks for itself. And it is in all kinds of categories such as driving schools, motorcycle driving schools, and driver's education classes. So one from this year that was actually just recently posted on January 29th says, the instructor was well versed in all of the subject matter. He has excellent communication skills and delivery of the material was engaging. His use of discussion and visual content made for a pleasant class. I would take this that this is from a pre-licensing course. I didn't take a pre-licensing course with the New York Auto School, but considering how the instructors were while I was taking my driving lessons, I know that their pre-licensing course is pretty dope and very well informed. Another one is also from a recent customer, and it was on January 27th, 2019. This person also gave them 5 stars, just like the last customer. And this says, Robin was very patient and attentive. She assessed my driving and gave me some great pre-test tips to correct my bad habits. And I didn't have Robin, but as I said, all the instructors in the New York Auto School are all in the same manner. I personally had 2 different instructors, and I can attest that they are in the same description. They follow through with everything, and they make sure that they do correct those bad habits and prepare you for the test and also a better driver for life. Okay, this one is a little earlier in the year. It was a couple weeks ago, January 16, 2019. And this is a pretty lengthy one. It looks very informative, so I want to let you guys know what this person says. I would definitely like to say that my experience with the New York Auto School was one that was totally professional and very rewarding. From the pre-licensing to the scheduled 1-hour refresher course with Donald, I have passed the driving test, and for that I am very thankful and appreciative to everyone who helped me. On a more personal note, I think Donald, the driving instructor, is very good at his job. He made me feel very relaxed and at the same time giving me sound advice. Thanks to all. So now I'm just gonna scroll down to some older reviews, maybe to a couple of years ago, to see if it's all consistent. Okay, so this one is from August 8th, 2017. New York Auto School did a great job in preparing me to pass my road test. I had a few different instructors and they were all extremely knowledgeable and patient throughout the lessons. Carol and Grace both helped me to feel comfortable on busy roads, and Tom and Mario helped me focus on the little details testers will look for in the road test. Tom was especially helpful in teaching me how to parallel park successfully. Frank helped me to both review everything I learned and stay calm directly before taking the road test. Thank you, New York Auto, for everything. So as you guys can see, the review seems to be very consistent. I mean, duh, they got a 4.8 out of 5. And my own review, you guys seen in my testimonials throughout my driving lessons, all the way up to my road test and passing the road test and becoming a licensed driver. All of these testimonials I definitely agree with. The professionalism, the ease, the confidence, the information that you receive from all these instructors, and just everything that they do is just perfect before becoming a licensed driver. A lot of my lessons even felt harder than the actual road test just because the lessons were very, very detailed, and I think that definitely helped me pass my road test because once the road test came, then I knew every little thing and I didn't mess up as much. So I definitely appreciate the New York Auto School. You guys seen my testimonials. I read some other customers' testimonials. If you guys want to read more, then please be sure to go check out their website, thenewyorkautoschool.com. I definitely 100% recommend the New York Auto School for you to take your driving lessons, your pre-licensing course, all of that good stuff, and become a licensed driver. So once again, I want to thank you guys for following me on my journey, and thank you so much for watching my videos and sticking through this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!